Hey tech lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of innovation with a countdown of the 7 best gadgets you absolutely need to know about. So let's get started. The magcube 4K Wi-Fi 6 projector is a cutting-edge technology with impressive performance for an enhanced home cinema and outdoor viewing experience. This projector delivers vibrant and sharp images with a high resolution. It supports dual Wi-Fi connectivity and Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless streaming and easy device pairing, providing high-quality entertainment wherever you go. The Swiss Tech 18-in-1 Multitool Pliers is a versatile, all-in-one tool designed for both everyday carry and outdoor adventures. This folding multifunctional combination tool features pliers, a pocket knife, screwdrivers, bottle openers and more, all compactly integrated into a single device that's perfect for tackling a variety of tasks while on the go. With its portable design, it's an essential addition to any toolbox or emergency kit. The corded portable car air pump is a powerful and upgraded 12V electric tire inflator, ideal for vehicles, motorcycles, bikes and more. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi, it quickly and efficiently inflates tires, sports balls and other inflatables. The folding gun pistol is a sleek mobile phone model designed for fun and interactive play. Compatible with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, this toy features a cool, shelling design and uses soft ammo for safe and enjoyable shooting action. Ideal for outdoor games and sports. The electric fabric shaver is a portable device designed to keep your clothing looking fresh and new. With its rechargeable battery, it offers convenient, cordless operation for effortless use. This shaver efficiently removes lint, fluff, hairballs, and fuzz from a variety of fabrics. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and store. The car tablet holder is a versatile cradle designed to securely hold tablets. Attaching easily to the back of your car's headrest, it provides a stable and adjustable mount for hands-free viewing. It features a flexible design that accommodates various tablet sizes and angles. The telescopic magnetic pen with light is a versatile and portable tool designed for precision tasks. Featuring an extendable reach and a built-in light, it allows you to easily pick up screws, nuts, bolts and other small metallic objects in hard-to-reach areas.